Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch between different brand accounts on YouTube, on your mobile app, on the YouTube app, on your iPhone or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the U icon in the bottom corner of the YouTube app. And then you want to select the gear icon at the top right and select where it says switch account on the left panel. And then you can scroll through your brand account list and select whatever account you want to switch into. And then it will sign you out of the current brand account and it will sign you into the one you select. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.